In this video, we're going to be looking at the iHub Smart Power Strip from Mars Hydro, and this is a new product that gives you the ability to control your entire grow tent from outside the tent on your phone via Bluetooth. So coming in the box, you have a few simple things. You have an environment sensor. This gives you the ability to monitor your temperature and your humidity. Also, you have a daisy chain USB cable that allows you to dim the light from outside the tent. Setting up the device is very easy. You're just going to want to download the app. There's a QR code on the box to download it, or you just look up Mars Hydro app either on the Google Play or App Store. You download the app and then it's going to sync with the Bluetooth, and you're going to just sign into your Wi-Fi. So whatever your Wi-Fi name is and your Wi-Fi password, that will get it synced up. So once you've synced up with your Wi-Fi, you'll be in the app and you can see some of the features. You have your statistics, which tell you your voltage, your average electricity use, your temperature, humidity, power draw, things like that. And then you can add new devices and rename them. So we're going to add the exhaust fan. So there's corresponding numbers on the plugs. So outlet number 3 is device number 3. So if that is your humidifier, you can just change the name to humidifier. Very easy.
So all from your phone, you can control your lights, your fans, your AC. So right now we have the FC4800 hooked up, as well as the exhaust fan. So you can see here, we click on the FC4800, it turns on. We click on the exhaust fan. That shit's going crazy. So you can control everything from here. You get your statistics, your environment, humidity, power draw, temperature, all that stuff, and you can control it all from your phone. Add up to 6 devices, so you can have different fans, ACs, your lights, your dehumidifier, humidifier, everything that you need, all can be controlled from this app.
You can also very easily set your individual timers. So say that you want your exhaust fan to stay on when your lights go out, but you want your oscillating fan to turn off. You could specify the timer for each one, how many hours a day it's going to run, as well as you can change up the light schedule with your light. And it's all there in the app, and you can control it without being anywhere near your grow tent. And to me, this is the most important feature of the controller. You can set your desired environment range. So say your temperature gets too high, you can then have your AC turn on automatically when it gets over, say, 85 degrees. And say your humidity drops below 40%, you can then have your humidifier turn on. So this really gives you the ability to dial in your grow tent. And last but not least, we have another cool feature with this app, and it is the scene setting. So you can basically set up your seedling, your veg, and your flower cycle all automated. You can change your light schedule, your light intensity. Say you want your seedling stage to be 2 weeks and your veg stage to be 2 months. You can set that automatically, and then it will flip between the seedling and the veg stage, and then flower automatically. So you could have your light intensity change, your light schedule change from 18:6 to 12:12. And this is going to be really helpful if you're growing in one tent. I know some people are. If you have one tent, this makes it very easy. After you harvest, you can just go in there, change the scene from flower to seedling again, or veg, and then you're automatically in your desired environment range and light schedule without having to adjust the timer manually. So very cool. There's a lot of potential with this. I'm going to give you guys another review when I've used it for an entire cycle, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're looking to purchase this, you can find it on marshydro.com. Use code GLG2022 and you can save some money. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.